Hey guys, Bassmaster123 here. Come back to you guys with another YouTube video. Tonight we are catfishing in Florida. I'll show you. Oh, let me get in that light here. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys our setup. It's pretty simple. We're going for flathead catfish. Oh, is someone on? No. We're going for flathead catfish. Ooh, that's tight. And sail cats. Sail cats have like a big sail on them. We'll show you when we get them. So we got our de-hooking station there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. There's a net back there. Line right there. Grayson right there is another line. And yeah, so we're gonna hear, whenever you hear, that means that there's a fish on. Whoever has a fish on, we'll just give the camera to the other person. And yeah, we got gloves because these guys are nasty. And we're using shrimp, just throwing it out there and waiting, just on the bottom. So we'll get back to you guys when we get a fish on. Grayson's about to have one on here, guys. Oh, what a hook set.
Watch your line.
Yeah, come down here. Do we need the net? Can you just pop it up here? Yeah.
Ready? Watch out.
Here it comes, guys. Slow him down, let him flop around.
Hopefully it's not getting too deep. Of course it is.
There he is, guys. He's a small one. All right, we'll get back to you when we get another one. We're getting hits, guys. Lost the tip of that rod.
There you go.
Here, go grab the keep the camera on the tip of that rod. Watch that, guys.
Oh. All right. Hook up, hook up.
Alright, Sean. Guy seems kind of small. Let's see what we got here. Flipping his ass, right?
He's tiny.
Yeah. That is probably the smallest catfish of the night, guys. Let's got the hook set. Alright, we'll get back to you with more action. Alright guys, that's what we're using. That is a pinfish tail. Probably gonna hook it right through the back tail, like right here, because that's a pretty good piece of meat right there. So I'm just gonna eat that. So we'll get back to you when we get something. Hopefully it's bigger. We'll see. He's on, guys. Let's get that. Wait, let's watch it. Come on, run.
Oh, he's about to make a run. Ready?
Oh, tighten that. You gotta tighten that.
Yeah, I got tightened.
Tighten that. Oh, guys, this is a good one. Ooh, you're gonna tighten that a little bit more. Get that guy in. Dude, he's running hard. What's it looking like? What's the status here, Grayson? Oh, he's still running. Still running. Oh, there he is. Oh, big boy.
Very small. Actually, it's not that bad. Nice.
Jeez, that thing's huge, guys.
Grab it for her.
Hold on, we're gonna wait for him to stop. That thing's huge. Holy cow, guys. Look how freaking big that thing is. All right, we'll get back to you guys with more action, right, Grayson?
Yep.
Good catch. Holy cow, smallest catch of the night.
Oh, look at that monster. Oh my. Look at that. That has to be freaking.
Look at that A1 hook set, though.
Only because the hook
Dude,
might
on the
be
tiny
bigger.
rod. It didn't, actually, how do you not feel something on that small of a rod?
What?
Like, guys, you guys don't understand. This rod right here, get a good light on it. Shit. This rod, this reel came off of a pen fishing kit that was $2. And this reel is split in half, Daiwa reel, okay? And it didn't even pull any drag. That's ridiculous. Grayson just hooked up. Oh, I'm about to hook up too. Or is it over yours? I'm worried about yours for now. Let's see him. I'm about to get hit too, Grayson.
Alright.
See my line?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I might be over you. Nope, nope.
You're not? So I'm getting hit too, guys. We're about to double hook up, I think. But if I do, I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna be getting hit. The faster you get yours in, the faster I can get on mine.
Yeah, okay.
Nice sail right there. Watch my line, watch my line. You're on my line. You're on my line. Yeah, you're good.
Get in the corner.
Nice. Good job. Good fight.